Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 1F. Listen children. A submarine submerged at a depth of minus 15 meter twice 20 meter more. What is the new depth of the submarine? Can you understand children? Submarine means what? What does mean by submarine? Floating ship. Submarine is what? Floating ship. See, listen. Here the depth they are given minus 15 meter. Again it divides. First they are given that the depth of the submarine at first minus 15 meter. Again after driving what they are given 20 meters. So I am going to write this in what? A negative symbol. Got it? And then now I am going to find out the new depth of the submarine. Listen. Depth of the submarine is equal to depth of the submarine at first is equal to minus 15 meter. Next, depth of the submarine after driving is what? After driving is what children? Minus 20 meter. Now I am going to find out the new depth. New depth of the submarine. What is the new depth of the submarine? Minus 15 plus of minus 20. So plus into minus, minus. So my sign are same. So I am going to add and put that sign. 15 plus 20 is what? 35 meter. Now you are going to write the answer. New depth of the submarine is equal to, what is this? Minus 35 meter. Can you understand this children? Shall I move on to the second one? See, the temperature was minus 3 degrees Celsius in the morning. What is the temperature in the morning? Minus 3 degrees Celsius. And rose by, rose means what? Means increase into. Rose means increase into how much? 10 degrees Celsius by noon. Now I am going to find out the temperature at noon. I am going to find out. Listen children. See, solution. Temperature in the morning. Temperature in the morning. What is the given in the question is minus 3 degrees Celsius and temperature rose is equal to, what is that? 10 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to find out temperature at noon. I am going to find out. So minus 3 degrees Celsius plus 10 degrees Celsius. Alternate sign. So I am going to subtract and put the answer. See, the plus is having more here. So I put here plus symbol. Subtract 10 minus 3 is what? 7. So now I can write the answer to be what? Temperature temperature at noon is equal to 7 degrees Celsius. Can you understand, children? Shall I move on to the third one? The daytime temperature on Mercury. See, listen, children. The daytime temperature on Mercury can reach 430 degrees Celsius. So, in the day they are given. As well as the nighttime temperature can drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius. See, in the daytime it is a positive and in the nighttime it is what? Minus 180 degrees Celsius. Now I can find out how much can the temperature change. Change is what? You are going to find out the difference. Change means what? You are going to find out the difference during one day. Got it? They are given the day temperature as well as the night temperature. I am going to find out the difference for one day. So listen, children. Daytime temperature. Daytime temperature is equal to, what is the given in the question? 430 degrees Celsius. And nighttime temperature, what is given in the question, which is minus 180 degrees Celsius. Now I am going to find out a difference in temperature. I am going to find out the difference in a temperature, which is what? Write the first number. Difference means minus symbol. And write the second number. See, listen, children, minus into minus become what? Plus. So, 430 plus 180. When I am adding this 430 plus 180, what is that? 0. 3 plus 8 is what? 11. Again 1 carry over, which is what? 6. So, 610 degrees Celsius. Now, I am going to write the answer. Temperature changes during one day. Is equal to 610 degrees Celsius. Can you clear this, children? Shall I move on to the fourth one? See, the lowest point of the Japanese trench in the Pacific Ocean is minus 10,372 meter. Minus 10,372 meter. And the lowest point of the Ruto Richo is what? 1172 meter. I am going to find out the depth of the Ruto Rico Trench. See, they are given the Japanese depth of the Japanese they are given, and when compared to that, the lowest point of the Ruto Ridge also they are given, which is what? Higher. So, what I have to do? The depth of the Ruto Rico Trench, higher they are given. I am going to find out the original depth of the Ruto Rico Trench. Okay? Ocean, I am going to find out. Listen, now I am going to write the solution for this. Listen. Depth of Japanese trench is equal to minus 10,372 meter. Now I am going to find out the depth of Puerto P-U-E-R-T-O, Puerto Rico Trench. Just I am going to add this to minus 10,003 because what is there given in this? Higher. So I am going to add this to 1172. See, alternate signs. So I am going to subtract this. Okay. So what when I subtract this? See. 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 10 minus 1 is what? 9. So, and see that which is having more here, negative is having more. So, put the negative symbol and write that answer, 9200 meter. Now, write the answer. Depth of Ruto Rico trench is equal to minus 9200 meter. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? Shall I move on to the next one? See what we have seen for a first sum, submarine. Already I have said what is mean by submarine? Floating ship. So a submarine at minus 250 meter device to a depth of 6 times its initial depth. So the depth of the submarine before driving is what? Minus 250 meter. And I am going to find out for 6 times. 6 times is what? I am going to multiple. 6 times means what I have to do? I am going to multiple. Can you clear this? So, if I multiple, I can get the depth of the submarine dives. So, listen, children. Depth of the submarine before driving, how much, which is given in the question? Minus 250 meter. Now I am going to find out depth of the submarine drive is equal to 6 times of minus 250. So 6 into minus 250. So multiply this. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carry over, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is what? 15. And plus into minus is what? Minus. What is the unit? Meter is your unit. Now write the answer. Depth of the submarine drive is equal to minus 1500 meter. Can you understand this, children? Next we will see in the next class, children. Thank you.